amigos. This is our vocabulary to review so that we can do ser and estar notes in a little bit. So ser and estar are two verbs that we've learned in Spanish 1, and we're going to be focusing on how to use them in different contexts. But before we do that, we need to do some review of the vocabulary that we learned in Spanish 1 and early Spanish 2, because that will help you be more successful in this week. So first we're going to review our colors, which we learned earlier in this year. Now all of this vocab can be in one spot, and this is not all the vocab by any means that we learned last year, but the more important ones that you'll see a lot of, and maybe some words that are harder to remember. So we have our colors, which are red, rojo, orange, anaranjado, yellow, amarillo, green, verde, blue, azul, purple, morado, pink, rosado, white is blanco, and black is negro. Moving on, we're going to review the personality traits, las personalidades. We have nice is simpático or simpática if it's a girl. Mean is antipático. Lazy is perezoso. Hardworking is trabajador. Funny is cómico. Good is bueno. Bad is malo. And fun is divertido. Next, we're going to be doing physical traits. So we have tall is alto. Short is bajo. Big is grande. Small is pequeño. Pretty is bonito. Young is joven. Old is viejo. And strong is fuerte. Talking about times, we talked about the words for today and tomorrow, hoy y mañana. We've talked about telling what the date is earlier this year, and to say it's the something of the month, we're going to say es el number, day, month. If I want to say what time it is, I start my sentence with son las or es la if it's 1 o'clock. And again, all of these are a review for you. And then our days of the week, we have lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, y domingo. Now, up to this point, that should have all been review, and these will probably be review for you as well, unless you were in 8th grade last year when you did your Spanish 1. So these words here may be brand new for you, so you need to pay extra special attention in learning these. So these are our location position words, also known as prepositions. So talking about where things are located in relationship to another thing. So we have next to is al lado de, close to is cerca de, underneath debajo de, in front of is delante de, inside is dentro de, behind detrás de, on top of is encima de, far from is lejos de, to the right a la derecha de, and to the left a la izquierda de. And then we're going to have emotions. And again, these words should be review for you, but if you were in the 8th grade last year for Spanish 1, they may not have, you may not have seen them. So these will be words that you definitely need to know as we go through this week. So please spend extra time in learning them if you haven't learned them before. We have tired is cansado or cansada. Happy is contento, like content. Depressed is deprimido. Excited is emocionado. This isn't emotional, which is kind of what it looks like. It's the word excited. Angry is enojado. Nervous is nervioso. Busy is ocupado, like occupied. Calm is tranquilo, like tranquil or tranquility. Sad is triste. And worried is preocupado. So you can use these words as we progress through this week. You're going to want to go on now and take notes over the differences between ser and estar, and these vocabulary words will be very helpful for you in doing that. Adios.